Which is crazy. He just had me on the back and about threw me off. The bad part is my beard weighs about 37 pounds. I never had... Goddamn kid's nuts though. He told me to get off the green quad and I'm gonna ride it. You're gonna get on the back. Yeah, I did that for about 2 minutes. What the heck? Excuse me. Go. I want you to hit that hole. I want to make that video again, that slow-mo video again. Nice job, Granny. Granny. Come on, Pappy, get her out of there. Come on, fat ass, get her out of there. Not enough ass. Back her all the way up to that hill, then ram it, you ding ding. There you go. Now fly it. Fly, go.